on aromaticity, that is chemical reactivity of benzene, and today we have the reaction benzene with ethene. You will be surprised. Why should benzene react with ethene? This reaction occurs at specific pressure and a catalyst. So these heat, pressure and catalyst facilitated this reaction. That is to say, in the absence of those conditions, it might be very difficult for benzene to react with ethene. Okay, now let us see the product of the reaction, how ethylbenzene is formed here. Remember, we all know the structure of benzene. Benzene is reacting with C, we have H2, which is ethene. This is benzene, this is ethene, reacting under aluminium trichloride as a catalyst. We have heat and we'll also have what? Pressure. So let's see what the product of the reaction is. Now, you can agree, or you will agree with me, that in the halogenation of benzene, chlorine molecule was attached at the para position of the benzene. But in this case, it's a different case altogether. Instead of this group attach itself at the para position, it's supposed to attach itself at the auto position. So the reason we might talk about the attraction of the electrophiles, okay? The condition of attraction of the electrophiles to the nucleophiles. So in this case, what happens here is the ethylbenzene here, which will be converted, this double bond will be shifted or will be converted to ethyl group, and it will attach itself to the auto position. So let us see what the product of the reaction is. Look at what the product of the reaction is. We have CH2CH3, and this compound is known as ethylbenzene. Ethylbenzene. And I can collapse this structure. Yes, of course, I can collapse this structure for students who are finding it difficult with structures. I can say C6H6 plus C2H4 under aluminium trichloride as a catalyst. We have heat and also we have our pressure. We have our heat and our pressure. Now, what is formed here? The compound formed is C6H5, C6H5, C2H5, or C6H5, CH2, CH3. It is still ethylbenzene. So this is the product of the reaction of benzene with ethane. We have ethylbenzene, and this is the collapse structure for the reaction. And this, see you in my next class. Bye-bye.